Hi guys, today I wanted to share a very short review of my Instax SQ40 that I just got and also tried for the first time. My first impressions are very positive. I like the look and handiness of this camera. It is very simple to handle since there are not many settings you can choose from. Actually only one, which is the focal length. I think this is a great beginner camera, but honestly, I miss some features that the SQ6, for example, has. Otherwise, the format is my favorite, and the pictures come out nicely. What do you think?